Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 6 Pro from Xiaomi, and today I'll go over the unboxing along with a brief overview of the device. So this is the box, and disregard the sticker. That's from basically the display of the phone itself. It's already set up, so it's basically stuck on here. On the box you only have the Note 6 Pro and Redmi right here in the white, and anything that is upside down is basically just a sticker. So then you got the side and back of it with just a brief description of it, some like key aspects of it. So let's get this open. There we go. Set that to the side, and I have where I'm going to place the phone. So this is the phone itself. It will be later. And in the box you have this cardboard cutout where the phone lays in, and it's also doubles as a place to hold all the paperwork. Yes. Oh, it looks like it comes with an actual case. Let's check that out. That's really flimsy, honestly, like super thin, and doesn't really seem like it's gonna protect much, but still better, I guess, than nothing. I guess it will protect it from scratches. And then you have some tiny little brochure, booklet, whatever you want to call it, and the SIM eject tool right here. Then we got the charger. Unfortunately it's the old one, the Type A, and then the charger itself, which is just a normal charger, nothing like mind-blowing, no fast charge and stuff like that. It's just a mediocre charger. So let's get this out of the way, and then we got the device. So the key specification, well, it's going to be probably the display, though it has a notch. It's a 6.26 inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2280, and it's just an IPS display. Now the device actually comes in a couple of variants. The one that I have in front of me, I believe it's probably going to be the lower one, the 4 gig. So it's in the middle. So you can have this device in basically 3, 4, or 6 gig variant. And with each variant you have a little bit of variety in terms of like storage. So the lowest one comes with 32 gigs built-in storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. And you have a 64 and 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 and 6 gigs of RAM. So this is basically that middle one. And apart from that, you get the 4000 mAh battery, and all of the options have Snapdragon 636. And apart from the storage and the RAM, they don't differ at all. So going on, you have a glass front, which is a Gorilla Glass, obviously, and then the back is aluminum, as you can see, but the shell of the device itself, the frame, is plastic, so not necessarily as sturdy. Then the device comes with an Android 8.1, but can be upgraded to Android 9, so that's thumbs up. And let's go to the back. So you have double camera setup, as you can see right here. Maybe if there we go, that's a little bit better. So you have double camera setup, and basically you have 12 megapixel a dual pixel PDAF focus, and then you have the 5 megapixel depth camera. So just, in a way, you only have one to capture photos. The other one is just a depth sensor in a way. And what else is there to say? You have a fingerprint sensor as well, as you've seen. The not so favorable notch, which is honestly huge for no reason. As you can see, there is just like one camera sensor and a tiny little speaker grill, and this part looks like it's basically there to keep it symmetrical, I guess. I don't really get the point of it being so huge. Can't really see them being any sensors, honestly. And yeah, going back to the camera though, that I didn't mention, the camera can record at 1080p at 30 frames, and yeah, I guess that would be all the information about the device. So I'm just gonna lock it so you can get a better view of the phone itself all around. So this is the back. You have the fingerprint sensor, the dual camera setup. Has this plastic thingy thing right here that basically surrounds, I guess, the aluminum back. And then at the bottom you have the dual speaker grill, as you can see, or well, speaker grills and I guess microphone grill, I would assume. And then you have the old charging port, which I believe this device is fairly new, so I'm not sure why in 2020 they still making it, but at least they managed to include a headphone jack. I was scared that they didn't. And it also looks like you have the IR blaster, or whatever you call them. Basically allows you to use the phone as a remote control, but then most of the Xiaomi phones come with it. And then the front have just the normal flat display, no curves, no nothing, power button and side button and volume buttons on the side. On the other side you have the SIM tray, and that's it. That's just the general look of it. So that would be basically it. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 with a brief overview of it. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.